G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2013 Holden Colorado LTZ, which has just come into stock. Vehicle has just been detailed, roadwork is yet to be completed, but we're doing the video straight away because it is a price range utility that we've had arrive. Really great value for money under that 18 grand bracket for a 4x4 automatic dual cab. This one will not last long, especially with your steel bull bar, your driving light, your hard tonneau cover, and also your factory leather, which these were an option back when they were purchased brand new. And the reason we do these videos is to give you a really good indication the car you're looking at with us presents really well for age and kilometres, which this vehicle certainly does. So we'll start from the outside of the vehicle, start from the driver's door. We'll work all the way around the utility. I'll take you through the interior and features as well. But as you'll see, it does have a set of Pro-Rack roof racks fitted. They're an aftermarket fitment. It does have some Holden genuine weather shields, which you'll see fitted there as well. Coming down to your driver's door, mirror sculpt is in great condition, being the chrome mirror sculpt. The paint condition on that driver's door is fantastic. And side steps, again, really, really clean. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, again, your front guard presents really well. Now, I do have the ute running in the background, so you can hear it run. Tyre condition is fantastic. Alloy wheels are in great order as well. Coming to the front of the vehicle, it does have a genuine steel bull bar fitted, a Holden genuine steel bull bar. It does have the LED light on top of that, and also your genuine bonnet protector fitted as well. But as you'll see, for a 2013 model, it presents really, really well. Great condition. Hence why I've got it on the front of the Nature Strip today for our weekend special as well. Front guard area on that passenger side, really clean condition. Up to your bonnet area, sorry about the bird poo up on the bonnet there, but otherwise really clean condition. Down to your alloy wheel and tyre. Again, beautiful condition of that tyre and alloy wheel, and really clean throughout. Coming to your front passenger door, again, paint condition is phenomenal. Chrome door, mirror sculpts and door handles in great order. Your side steps are in great condition. No imperfections in the paintwork there as well, really clean throughout. And then coming back to the rear door on that passenger side, again, really clean condition. No damage physically, again, really clean throughout. Coming to the back end of the vehicle, does have your three-piece Hardlid, so your genuine Colorado sports bar with your Hardlid. I'll show you that Hardlid in one tick. But the genuine sports bars really give it that nicer look. Alloy wheel and tyre and the condition are fantastic at the rear end. Really clean throughout. Coming to the back end of the vehicle, you'll see really clean again. Coming to the rear end, it does have your rear step, tow bar, reverse sensors fitted as well. And heading back up to your tailgate, really clean condition, no damage. I can physically see a bit of a gutter there. Just in relation to your Hardlid, it is a Zanardi Hardlid, so an aftermarket style Hardlid. Again, I'll pop that open so you can see inside that Hardlid as well. It does have a tub liner fitted and also a rubber mat in the rear. So you do have your tub liner in the back, just a protection. Really handy if you are a tradie having a tub liner. It won't chop out your tray or tub as much. Well, this one's got that fitted as well, so, and that rubber mat will be really handy to stop stuff flying around in the rear as well. A couple of 12-volt plugs over to your far left there. You probably can't see them in the video, but a couple of 12-volt plugs fitted in the rear. So really handy if you've got fridges or anything in the rear, you can pop them as well. Again, we do have the key for the Hardlid, so that will lock up correctly with the key. So we do have the key with the vehicle as well. Coming to the rear end of the car, so driver's side again, just to finish off the paint condition. Rear quarter panel, really clean throughout. Alloy wheel and tyre. Again, plenty of tread left on the tyre. And then finishing up with your paint condition. Just that rear door on that driver's side. Really clean throughout. I'll take you through the interior. Again, please keep in mind, this does have the factory leather. I've got to do central locking for the rear doors. It does have factory leather, which is an option back then, so you can either buy them with cloth or leather. So this one has the leather fitted to the vehicle. Again, door card. It does have the floor mats, which are in the vehicle as well. But coming behind the leather interior on that driver's seat and passenger front seat, again, really clean condition. No damage whatsoever. Door card on that passenger side, and then coming back with your interior. Again, for this year of car and kilometres it's travelled, really clean throughout. I will confirm those Ks once I jump inside the vehicle as well, but really good Ks for age and really clean condition too for age as well. Opening up the driver's door, again I might have to hold it so I don't fall down with the hill here. Door card on that passenger side, Coming through to your interior, again, you do have your red arc electric brake unit, which has been photographed on the website as well. Your headlights and such. Back to your leather interior, just over your passenger side. Again, leather interior on the passenger seat, and back to your driver's seat. Again, really clean condition. No damage on those seats. Just your normal wear and tear for age, basically. So I'll jump inside the ute just to show you the features inside and give you the correct kilometres as well. I'll get inside the vehicle. We'll turn that radio down a little bit. So current kilometres as we speak is 272,208. So they're the current kilometres as we speak. Coming back to your steering wheel, you do have your volume control, your Bluetooth settings for your mobile phone, and on the right hand side is just your cruise control. So nice and basic. It is a really basic utility for this series. Your AM FM radio, again, Bluetooth compatibility in this model as well. Coming down to your air conditioning, so it's a single zone climate control, so you'll see just turn your dial for your heat or cool up and down, your fan speeds just in the centre there, air conditioning on and off. So nice and basic system to use. Coming back to your transmission, again, automatic transmission, and through the centre is just your 4x4 dial. So as you'll see, for a car of 2013 model with these Ks, really clean condition, great value for money, perfect 4x4 for that growing young family. If you do have a young chap or a lady looking for a dual cab under 20 grand, this is definitely worth a look, definitely worth a test drive, and I don't think you'll be upset how clean it is for condition. You'll probably find that you'll probably snap it up, I reckon. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through this vehicle. Again, 2013 model Holden, Colorado, LTZ. Again, factory leather interior, factory steel bull bar, aftermarket roof racks, tow bar, red arc electric brake unit. So really great value for money, and the perfect thing is under 18 grand for a 4x4 automatic vehicle. So if you have any questions moving forward in relation to this vehicle or anything else we have here in stock at Your Next Car in Officer, please don't hesitate, give us a call. You can either speak to either Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you well. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through this video over Colorado, and hopefully we found the right car for you. Have a great day.